Hello everyone, welcome to Flamboyant Flavors. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use pot-in-pot cooking with Instant Pot. I'm going to show you how to make rice using this method. Basically, pot-in-pot method is instead of cooking rice directly in Instant Pot, I'm going to use these stackable pots to cook rice. I have 1 cup of basmati rice in each of these stainless steel pots. I have always used these stainless steel pots. I think you can use glass or ceramic containers too. I just have not tried those for pot-in-pot cooking. I did make basbousa cake in Instant Pot. You can watch that video on my channel. The link is in the description box. Rinse basmati rice with water twice to remove excess starch. Hey, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Please subscribe so you don't miss out new videos and to support my channel. Now add 1.5 cups of water and half teaspoon of salt or according to your taste in each pot. Cover the top pot with a dish or a lid. In the Instant Pot, add 2 cups of water. And I'm going to use this trivet that came with my Instant Pot. Place this trivet in, leaving the handles out. Then place the stackable pots in the Instant Pot on top of trivet. Make sure the level of water stays below trivet, which builds steam into the Instant Pot. If you're not comfortable putting both the pots together, place them one at a time. And cover the top pot with a dish or a lid. Make sure it's centered out and then close the lid of the Instant Pot and close the air vent. Put the Instant Pot on rice mode. When the Instant Pot goes off, let it sit for about 15 minutes before you open it. Use silicone mitts if needed to remove these stackable pots. Remove the lid and separate the pots. Ever since I learned pot-in-pot method, I rarely use the whole Instant Pot to cook rice, unless I'm making it in bulk. It's the perfectly cooked rice every time I make with pot-in-pot method. I do cook dal and steam veggies with this method. Let me know in the comment section if you would like to learn that as well. Hope you like this video and don't forget to hit that like button down below and do subscribe to my channel for more recipes. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.